Is there an easy way, in Python, to wait until certain condition is true? I need to wait in a script until a certain number of conditions become true. I know I can roll my own eventing using condition variables and friends, but I don't want to go through all the trouble of implementing it, since some object property changes come from external thread in a wrapped C++ library, boost.python, so I can't just hijack __setata__ in a class and put a condition variable there, which leaves me with either trying to create and signal a Python condition variable from C++, or wrap a native one and wait on it in Python, both of which sound fiddly, needlessly complicated and boring. Is there an easier way to do it, barring continuous polling of the condition? Ideally, it would be along the lines of:
You've basically answered your own question, no. Since you're dealing with external libraries in boost.python, which may change objects at their leisure, you need to either have those routines call an event handler refresh, or work with a condition.
Unfortunately, the only possibility to meet your constraints is to periodically poll, e.g. or the like. This can be optimized in several ways if some predicate can be decomposed, e.g. if it's known to be an and of several clauses, especially if some of the clauses are in turn subject to optimization by being detectable via threading.events or whatever, etc., etc. But in the general terms you ask for, this inefficient approach is the only way out.
Here is the threading extent ion to Alex's solution.
Another nice package is waiting, this URL. Install. Usage. You pass a function that will be called every time as a condition, a timeout, and this is useful. You can pass a description for the waiting, which will be displayed if you get timeout error. Using function. Note, the function must return a boolean true when the wait is over, false otherwise.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.